Thank you for allowing roadready Solutions to be a part of your regulatory compliance solution. Driver access to the ELD app, that is their ability to log into the app, is controlled by the administrator through the admin portal here. The admin will go to User Manager on the main menu bar here, then click on Manage Licenses, which pulls up the list of drivers, and whether their app license is turned on is indicated in this column here. These drivers with the check mark under the app license are allowed to log in. Those without the check mark are not allowed to log in and will not be able to log in with their credentials. Simply click the box to turn on or off, then click Save License Settings, and the functionality for the drivers is complete. Thank you for using roadready Solutions.